What is up, guys? Welcome back to this video. I made this short video about 4 months ago asking for help about a roller stuck in a robot. In this video, I'll show you how I fixed that. I unscrewed as much as I could and as far as I could because the roller is an isolated piece within this robot. I tried to remove the wheel on one side so that I can get easier access. Finally, I got it open. There is a lot of hair on this roller. I would understand why it didn't come out. Stay tuned till the end. This process took me a long time and I got a lot of the hair out, and I used some tweezers to get the really tight hair out. I got a screw for the motor stuck in the housing, so I had to open up the whole thing anyway.
Great job, buddy! You did it!
And then the problem was right there. It was stuck onto the housing itself. That was why the roller was not coming out. Plus, with all the hair stuck in there, the roller was really stuck. Anyways, I got it cleaned up and I powered it up, and there we go.
Hey, you very good. See you next